Webster Schrader class of 2009. In order to be here today, ready to walk across the Eastman stage into our lives' next stage, we've all had to pass math classes. We've all sat there in those hard plastic chairs, working through difficult mathematical conundrums, wondering, when the heck are we ever going to use this? And our teachers would exasperatedly respond, on the math bee. I think the answer to that question is much broader, however. Life is like a composite number. It has a lot of factors. High school has been an amazing journey, full of fun, friends, and an abundance of memories. From the craziness of senior week, which was like taking the square root of a number, radical, to dressing up fancy and jamming with our friends at b equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Well, we've shared some amazing experiences as a class. We've made some great friends. Some maybe even, while others are a little odd. And of course, there are those who are just perfect squares. These years have also been a time of exploration, full of y equals ab raised to the x, exponential growth. We've spent these years learning, not just facts and ideas in the classroom, but about who we are, our personal values, our goals. Many of us have an idea about what we want to accomplish in the future, how we want to improve our community and world. Some people may believe that these dreams are lofty and unattainable, not real. Well, I say, let us look at the imaginary number I. I is the square root of -1. Now, taking the square root of a negative number is impossible. No two identical numbers with the same value and sign will ever multiply to a negative number. I, however, is used to represent the concept of taking a negative number's square root. So, I is not actually real. It is just an idea, not tangible. However, if you take that I and square it, or raise it to the 4th, the 6th, or really any even integer, it becomes 1 or -1. It becomes real. With a little creativity and cleverness, something that was once abstract, imaginary, a dream, a goal, can suddenly emerge into hard reality. One of the most valuable lessons that we've learned is to put forth our best efforts and try to achieve those dreams of ours to the highest degree. As much work as we put into something is how much we get out, though sometimes it's even multiplied. If we remain lax and give no effort, the additive identity of 0 teaches us that we will get no rewards. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus an infinite number of zeros in apathy will still always equal 0. If you expect a result besides 0, work for it and go after it zealously. We are all eagerly poised to step out into the big, bad, real world. And in regards to the great things we can accomplish, the limit goes to infinity. I hope that each one of us will exercise our drive and ingenuity in pursuing our future endeavors, and keep in mind some of the lessons that good old Webster Schrader has taught us. Yeah, maybe even some math lessons. Because math can be an interesting thing. Sometimes, numbers just have a funny way of working out that can be rather coincidental. A perfect number is an integer whose factors add up to the number itself. These integers really are the sum of their constituents. The smallest perfect number is 6, whose factors are 1, 2, and 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. The next perfect number is 28. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 equals 28. Today is June 28th, the 28th day of the 6th month of the year. 6/28. Of the other 364 days, today is the only mathematically perfect one.